Hello. Right now I'll be introducing you to graphical user interface a little bit, not in details, or I'm not going to be introducing you to make complex graphical user interface in Java, just a basic one. So what's graphical user interface is that which is user friendly and just going to show you it just directs you what you want to input. I think you know what's graphical user interface. It's just something like this. And how you do in Java is that it's quite simple. Sometimes you might find it a bit complex, but it's not. In Java there are some built-in classes by somebody else, and those built-in classes would provide us with capabilities to make this graphical user interfaces, but we have to import them. So how do we do that? We say import Java X swing dot what was that? Java AWT sorry it's a bit embarrassing, but here we go. GUI option pane. So you got to import JavaX swing GUI option pane. So Java is case sensitive, just try to make sure that you type as you can see right now. So what we're saying, here's our package JavaX, and this is our package, and this is our class called Java option pane, and we'll be using some of this Java option pane's methods, which what we got inside, but we have to make an object of Java option pane. And how do you know an object? You write now you don't have to write created. Yeah, we do have to. Because another thing is that whatever usually when you write graphical user interface, whatever you input, whatever you see there in strings, so we're going to be declaring a string called temp, and it's going to be equal to GUI option pane show input dialog box, and what you'll be supplying here is that a guidance to the user. We say please enter enter your name, and so what's doing is saying we got a variable name temp of type string, and this temp is going to be equal to whatever we're going to input in our context. This GUI option pane show input dialog is going to help us to pop up this dialog box for us, so we could use for the user to enter. And we're going to say, let's just print out their names, whatever they're going to enter. Your name is, so you learned about the concatenation before, so let's see what's going to happen here. So you see it's saying GUI option pane, this part helped us to make this output input dialog box. We'll say, let's say Jackie Chan, and it's saying in our console your name is Jackie Chan, but we want this to be printed out again as a graphical user interface. How we do that? As again, as easy as it looks. GUI option pane show message dialog box, and usually it takes a bit of some more parameters. So well, first parameter we're just gonna insert null. It's to do with the location of your graphical user interface, the dialog box. And next one's gonna be the body message, and we say your name is, again here as well we can use a concatenation. So let's see what happens now. So there you go. Hopefully you learned something here. Thank you for watching.